Today we're going to show you a technique that combines cooking and frying to create the perfect balance of texture and flavor. For this portion we'll use 600 grams of ground beef. Add a chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic minced. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, paprika, dried parsley and nutmeg. Add 60 grams of breadcrumbs and mix well to ensure everything is evenly incorporated into the meat. Now using your hands, start shaping the meatballs to about this size. Once they're all ready, transfer them to a skillet and add water halfway up. Once it starts to boil, add the meatballs. They'll begin cooking and let them simmer for about 5 minutes. Then flip them to cook on the other side. Once they're done, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Next, grab a bowl and crack in 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of paprika. Pour in 100 milliliters of milk and whisk until combined. Then add 100 grams of flour and mix until the batter is smooth. Perfect. Now heat a skillet with oil and keep the batter nearby. Dip the meatballs in the egg flour mixture, making sure they're coated on all sides, and place them in the skillet. Let them fry for about 4 minutes. Then flip to cook the other side. Once they're golden and crispy, remove them from the pan. And it's done. Our meatballs went through 2 stages. First, a gentle cooking in water, which kept them tender on the inside, and then frying, which gave them that crispy, delicious exterior. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes like this one, and let us know in the comments what you thought. That's it for today. See you next time.